In this video, I will be teaching you how you can add bank account to your Fidelity account. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your Fidelity website and then log in your account. After that, you have to click on this account and trade option from the top bar. And from this pop drop down menu, you have to click on this transfers option. Then on this screen, you just have to click on this link a bank option right under this manage section. Then on this screen you have to fill up these details. So first you have to select how do you want to transfer money, as a ETF or bank wire. So just select the option according to your needs. And then the second option you have to select is that who owns this bank account. It is your bank or the someone else. And then is this bank a business account? Select the yes and no option. So you have to fill up these details, and you can also select the login in my bank account with the Fidelity. If you have your online banking credentials, you can simply select this option, and then you just have to provide your username and password of your bank account, and it will be automatically linked to your Fidelity. But if you haven't have these credentials, you can simply select this second option, enter my bank information on my own. After that, click on continue, and then it's going to again ask you to what type of transfer would you like to enable for this account. Select it, and then you have to select which account would you like to link this bank to. So select your Fidelity account which you want to associate it with your bank account, then click on continue, then again select the option who owns this bank account, and then click on continue. And then you just also have to select your account type. It is checking, brokerage, saving or business account. Then you just have to enter your bank details such as your routing number, account number, and then click on agree and continue. And once you do that, your bank account will be linked to your Fidelity. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.